Hi friends, welcome to QApedia, and this is our blog qapedia.com. In this session today, the topic that we are going to discuss is Selenium with JavaScript Relative XPath Past Part 2. So we had discussed about different types of relative XPath in our last session, where we were writing XPath for a particular element based on the attributes and tags of the element. So we had seen different types of relative XPath so that we can get a unique XPath for an element, which helps in selecting the exact element during the execution of our automation test cases. Now, if suppose we face below problems that the element does not have any attribute. So so in our last session we were writing XPath for a particular element based on the attribute and tag of the element. Now what if the element does not have any attribute? Okay, element does not have any attribute. And second problem, that we are not able to find a unique XPath using the attributes of the element. So that's what we were doing. We were seeing different types of relative XPath so that we can get a unique XPath. And if it's unique XPath, then we can select the exact element during the execution of our automation test case. But if suppose we are not able to find a unique XPath using the attributes of the element, then what should we do? Should we go for absolute XPath? And the answer is a big no. We should not use absolute XPath. So in this case, we need to find a unique XPath, a unique relative XPath for some nearby element of our target element, for which we want to find the relative XPath. Okay, and once we get the unique XPath of our nearby element, then we can find the unique XPath for the target element as well. So let's see it now. Let's go to our demo e-commerce website and then try to find XPath for the products displayed in the home page. Let's focus on the first product and try to get the XPath for that, for the image of that product. So this is our demo e-commerce website. We are on the home page. On this home page we are seeing some products. Okay, so these products are there. So let's focus on this first product and focus on the image of this product. So let's try to find out the XPath for this particular image. Okay, now we can see that just a minute, let me zoom it out. Yeah, so we can see that this image is coming under this link. Okay, so we can do one thing. We can find out this particular image using the attributes of this particular link. So let's do one thing. Let's write Control F, and we will do one thing, that we will we will come here and write /a, because we know that relative XPath starts with /. So square bracket at the rate, we have to write here attribute name. So we are choosing class. href is also there, but href is going to make it too big. href value is too big. href value is too big, so we are using class. Okay, class property is there, which is somewhat small as compared to. So we'll take class is equals to single quotes, double single quotes, and then we will copy this particular property, and then we will write here this property, copy and paste, and then single slash and img, which is the tag for this particular image, and then we will control C, or you say copy, and then we will paste it here. So yes, it is uh, locating our element, but the problem here is that it is 1 of 12. So it is targeting all the 12 elements, so it is not a unique XPath. So this particular link is not giving us unique XPath. So let's try to use this particular div tag. This div tag might give us a unique XPath. Okay, so let's try to use it. We'll do one thing. We'll write the XPath here, and we'll /div, and then we'll write here @ then class is equals to, and what is the value of class? Value of class is this, so we will copy it and then we will paste it in two single quotes. We'll paste it here. Now inside this div tag, we can see that there are two anchor links are coming, or maybe more. Yeah, two anchor links are coming. So we have to write here single slash a and first anchor link. The way we were doing it for absolute XPath, the same way we have to do it, but we are not going from absolute root node and then img. So then we'll write here single slash and then img. So this is one more XPath that we are going to try now. So we will try this XPath here. So this is also what it is doing. It is also pointing to 12 elements. It is not pointing a unique element. So even this is not going to work. So we will do one thing. We will go to the above link, which is li. Now for li, the class that we are seeing, it is a very big attribute, so let's not use it. And this li is coming under this ul, unordered list, so we will use this particular property. So let's do one thing. Right here double slash ul and then square bracket, then at the rate class is equals to two single quotes, and then we will write here this property, copy this and then paste it here. After that we will write here li. Now you can see that there are many li under this ul tag. We are going to focus on the first one, so we will write here one and then single slash, and after that in this li tag we have a div tag, so we will write here div, right here div slash, and then this thing. After div a is there and then img is there, and then so we will write that completely. So we will copy it here, and so this is our product. This is our XPath for this image, and let's copy it here. Now it is focusing on this element and it is one of one. It is uh, finding our unique element. It is a unique XPath. Okay, so that's what we have written in our blog as well. If you will see this blog, then we have tried to find our elements that way only. You can compare it. First we were trying this particular XPath, this was not unique. Again we were trying this particular XPath, this was also not unique, and at the end we have tried to find out this particular XPath, which is a unique XPath. Okay, now we can see one more example. So let's go to the PDP of our demo e-commerce website and then try to find out unique XPath for some element using the attribute of some nearby element. So if you go to description tab, then you find that there are some qualities of the products which are displayed, and let's try to find out XPath for any one of the qualities. So this is our PDP page, product details page, and here we have description tab. In this description tab we have some qualities, and suppose if I will inspect it and I'll write it here, then this is this is the list li, and this is the attribute of it. So we'll do one thing. I will try to write XPath for this. I'll write here double slash li square bracket at the rate class is equals to two single quotes and then detail list. So I'll just copy, and after copying I will paste it here, and then I'll just copy it and then control F, and I will write it here. So it is pointing out to all the qualities. And here what is happening, it is not unique, it is 3 of 8, right? It is not pointing out to one property, it is pointing out to all the 8 properties. So now what should we do? So what should we do? We should see that before this li which tag is coming, and the tag which is coming, that is ul is tag under which all these li tags are coming. So we will write XPath for this ul, and then we'll see are we able to find a unique XPath or not. So again double slash ul, and then we'll write here at the rate class is equals to 2 single quotes, and this is our prod list, and we'll write it here. And if we will copy, then I'll just copy this. After copying, I'll paste it here. And so this particular class is finding a unique XPath. Okay, but now what we need to do, we need to find the XPath of this property. Okay, and these properties are coming under this ul tag. So what we'll do, we will write here single slash li, and now what is happening after writing li, it is pointing to 8 elements, and we want a unique element. So we will write here we want the first one. So now it is pointing out at the first one, and if I will write here, so this way we are able to find out a unique XPath. Now if I'll write here 2, so this is also finding a unique XPath. So sometimes we face this kind of problem that we element does not have any attribute, or we are not able to find a unique XPath using the attributes of the element. So in that case we need to use this particular technique as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it in this session. Thank you very much, guys.